That's it? You're not going to give like an introduction?
Nah, they already know what it is. We need a tripod.
I have a tripod. I brought it home, but I forgot to bring it.
Dipshit.
Thank you. You provided nothing, so.
I'm working on investing.
What do you mean?
I feel like it's pretty clear what we're trying to do right now.
Yeah, we're rebuilding this jack. Like butter.
Word. Well, the other one's not lined up.
Like, shut up. Like butter.
Nah, it's pretty fucking far from lined up.
Hold on. Oh. Okay.
Shouldn't you be loosening that one a little bit?
That's what I'm doing.
Oh.
Why don't you explain why we're doing this?
It's broken. So we're fixing it.
No shit, it's broken.
I took it apart. Chris is now here to help me finish the job because I don't know how to do it.
I was eating dinner.
I'm totally going to be guessing like 90% of how to put this back together too. Like I got a pretty good idea of I know where all the bolts go, but I don't remember how the jack, like that part, was lined up.
I mean, it only goes back together one way.
I don't know. I have very much so found different ways to put things together before.
No, I mean like this can only be correct one way.
Oh yeah,
So,
it'll only function one way.
That's
but
what I'm saying. So
I can definitely mess up a way of putting it back together.
But you just gotta keep trying until it works.
I'd really rather get it right the first time.
Yeah, but that's not really my problem, is it?
It could be.
It could be my problem. So yeah, my bad.
All right, pipe wrench time.
Oh.
Yeah, so essentially we need to get that big ass cap off to replace some of the gaskets. That's the issue. The gaskets are bad. It's leaking, and then it like slowly comes back down when you're trying to jack a car up.
Hello. Thank you for calling Lazar's Floor Jack. You've reached us outside of our normal business hours. We are sorry we missed you. Please visit our website to purchase our products 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Like the jack it wasn't going up quite fast enough. Right?
No, it went up fine. It just wouldn't stay up.
It wouldn't stay up. That was your problem. Okay.
It had dysfunctionality.
Jack was dysfunctional.
Yes.
Jactile dysfunction.
Yes.
Sure. So we're looking for low oil level. Add oil as required.
Well, considering most of it is sitting on the floor,
they neglected the D. So it's low oil. Add oil as required.
Word.
I feel like we went a little overkill on the load oil as required.
There's no oil in it.
Yeah, because we disassembled it.
Right.
Yeah, but I don't think we needed to disassemble. I mean, it's a good, like, we're changing O-rings, but I don't think this was necessary.
Probably not. But we're here now.
That's a fact. We are here now. But what are we trying to do? Are we just
Well, now I think we're trying to put it back together now.
Okay, but...
Unless we can figure out where those other two rings go. In the pack right by your phone. I mean, there's
3 in here.
Alright, well, one of them, we used 2 of them. I don't know where the other 3 go. I don't know if we need to do them either, because we already...
the snap ring? Yeah, it's over there.
We found the
Hold on, here we go. I will go through the Explodiview and parts list, and you stop me when you hear something that might be
I'm not gonna fucking
it
know.
might be one of these.
I'm not gonna know.
Lift arm assembly. Handle,
oh yeah, that one.
Handle socket. Handle socket screw. Handle pin. Wall palate assembly. What? Pallet? Maybe that's what they mean. Torsion spring.
The battery on this thing's low.
What?
The battery's like getting low.
How low?
Like 2 bars.
Oh, okay, that's fine. We always plug it in.
We gotta get the Budweiser TV working, man. That thing would be lit.
That's a fact. Oh! Didn't know this was double-sided. That you really know. It's got pressure.
Wait, well, don't forget the other one.
No, that's gonna. What you're doing right now is pushing it harder against me. Wait. Alright, pump that bitch up. Okay. Alright, so once you've gotten to this step, you want to add a little assembly lube. You get. Hey. Okay.
We're like, what the fuck was going on in there?
I'm throwing this grease out. This is not enough grease.
Dude, that's definitely way too much.
That's not. No such thing as too much lubrication.